guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Daphne. Thanks for tuning in. Let's get into the video. All right, today I'm going to be showing y'all how to make 3 different dips. So the first dip, I got everything laid out how I'm going to do it, so I'm going to go over this with you and then we'll move on to the next one. Okay, the first one I'm making is a buffalo chicken dip. Okay, I got chicken breast. I've already cut up in little pieces and I've already cooked it. I put a little bit of herb seasoning on there for chicken. You can put whatever you want on it, it's fine. And cheese, cream cheese, Frank's Red Hot Wing sauce, but you can put whatever you want. And green onions that I've cut up. Okay. Okay, the first one is ready. I'm gonna make, I got 2 more to make. Another one that I'm gonna make is going to have to go in the oven too. So once I get them all done, I'll put them in the oven. But the first one is together. So next one we're showing you how to make is cheesy chili dip. And this one's going to be cheese, chili with beans, cream cheese, and then the cilantro leaves. But the cilantro we're gonna put on after I get it out the oven. So that'll be put on last. All right, second one's done. So I'm gonna move it over here. And 1 more to go. Okay, for the last one, we're making a salsa dip. And this is gonna be cream cheese, chunky salsa, cheese, and some more green onions. And yeah, this thing tore all the pieces, but it's all right. It didn't want to come out the package. Okay, I got my oven preheated to 350. These two, the buffalo chicken and the chili one, have to be put into the cheese melts. This one with the salsa, you don't heat this one up. The two that need to be put in the oven, I'm gonna put them in for about 10 minutes. I'll check them at 5, just till the cheese gets good and melted. They'll be done, and then I'll be back. Okay, now to taste. This one is the cheesy chili dip. This is the buffalo chicken dip, and this is the salsa dip. Now we're going to try it. That's good. That one's good. If I can get the chip to stop breaking. Now for the buffalo. That's it. Both of them are good. Hey. Delicious. Oh, you must try it. All three of them are amazing. Please give it a try. Easy to make. Good for an appetizer or any kind of party or for dinner or whatever you want to make it for. It's very good. With that being said, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and share. Don't forget to subscribe and push the bell button to be notified the next time I upload a video. Thanks again. Have a blessed day.